No records were broken on day one of the final regional high school track and field meet of the season, but there were some keenly contested matchups in the morning and early afternoon session. Denise Walters tells us more.
Defending girls champions Edwin Allen were dominant in the 100 meters, winning 2 of the 4 finals on Tuesday's day 1 of the Central Athletics Championships at GC Foster College. Alex Henry 11.97 seconds led and Edwin 1-2 in the girls class 100 meters, getting the better of teammate Renicia Edwards and Homewood's Rosalie Gallimore. Shantway Green won class 4, getting the better of Philippa Gentles of Homewood and Lena Johnson of Fern Court. Shamika McLean of Fogo Road was the class 2 champion, clocking 12.25 seconds, besting Homewood's Shanika Gibson and Edwin's Curry Tape. Fern Court's Rihanna Scott won class 3 in 12.12. Edwin's Andriana Pine and Homewood's Adalia Simpson were second and third respectively. Edwin's pair of Sushana Johnson and Brianna Morris were first and second respectively in the girls' 2,000 meters steeplechase open. Johnson defended her title, clocking 7 minutes 05.51 seconds to finish ahead of Morris, who posted 8 minutes and 01 seconds. Alphonsus Davis's Cheval White was the third.
Just run my race how I normally run it. I feel great, even though I was feeling a bit of pain, but yeah, I still feel good.
Homewood's Jovi Rose won the girls' class 1,500 meters in a time of 4 minutes 55.71 seconds, getting the better of St. Jaga's Kedira Combs and Amia Samuels of Alphonsus Davis.
Just listen to my coach and work with my teammates to make myself better. I went back and trained harder and listened to my coach. It was just to win.
Ali K. Reynolds of Alphonsus Davis won class 2 in 4 minutes 55.94 seconds, ahead of teammate Tabrell Williams and St. Jaga's Jada Fletcher. The class 3 title went to Edwin's Anika Lowe, who won ahead of Homewood's Felicia Compass and Shania Palmer of St. Jago. Meanwhile, on the boys' side, Clarendon College's Raheem Alice won the Class 100 meters in 10.88, getting there ahead of the Edwin Allen duo of Romario Finnegan and Kenrick Austin. There's Ricardo Mann bagged the boys' Class 2 title, posting 11.32 to win ahead of Edwin's Taheem Thompson and Manchester's Karen Gavin. Jaden Fisher was the Class 3 winner ahead of Manchester's Malik Mason and St. Catherine's Timothy Jones. Clarendon College's Obina Reed retained his 2,000 meters steeplechase title in 6 minutes 33.33. Thierry Hopkins of Alphonsus Davis and Javon Henry of Belfield were second and third respectively. Alphonsus Davis's Nicholas Frederick captured the Class 1 boys 1,500 meters title in 4 minutes 09.72. Belfield's Javon Tomlin, with a time of 4 minutes 09.72, won the boys' Class 2 event, getting the better of Denby's Markland Williams and Homewood's Antoine Newland. The Class 3 title went to Homewood's Joshua Price, who won ahead of Heidel's Shamor Welch and Fogo Road's Trayshawn Kelly. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.